I was in an accident. I was actually coming down a flight of stairs, had some furniture, we were moving, and I was just hurt. I went to the hospital, they took x-rays, and they said that because of the accident that I had a disc degeneration, which was leading to arthritis. And what I did is I went on the internet, started doing some research, I Googled different symptoms that I was having. I was having arm pain, I was having different neck pains, muscle spasms, I was having tingling, and didn't know what was going on. And I found this website that talked about restoring the posture, that this loss of neck curve or spine curve, it was actually causing a lot of my symptoms. And so I went to the doctor that treats with this particular product, and he found, after taking x-rays, that I actually had what was called a forward neck carriage, where if you're just hunched over and your neck is actually almost protruding, it's just off balance, it's not on your shoulders, you're not sitting properly. And he explained all this wonderful stuff, and so I started getting treatment with this in-office posture recurve chair, as it's called. And I'm telling you, at first it was a little odd, it was a little uncomfortable. I was only treating for maybe 2-3 minutes. And as I continued to treat, I was able to extend the amount of time I could treat on this product, on this posture recurver chair, as it's called, until finally the doctor said, you know, you're doing so well, after I think it was 3 months or 4 months, that I'm actually going to make this available to you. So I purchased this posture recurver mini, which has the same results, it's just that it's a take-home, so I could continue maintaining my good posture.
Well, many years ago, being involved with a lot of sports in high school, getting banged around a little bit, I developed some bad injuries to my neck and back, and for years afterwards, stopped playing sports. I was very uncomfortable just sitting in a chair or driving a car. And after seeing many doctors or trying different types of pills to try and get rid of the pain, it wasn't until I found the Recurva Mini that I realized that my curve in my neck was off, and then the Recurva just straightened everything out, and now I'm not having any problems at all.
Well, I was in a very bad car accident as a teenager, and shortly after I was having severe headaches, neck pain, back stiffness. A few years ago I was finally diagnosed with loss of curvature in my neck, and the pain was getting to be unbearable. And I spent a long time looking for something to help me with this pain, and I finally found it in the Mini.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm a musician. I play piano, cello, and percussion. And music is the love of my life. But several years ago, I developed injury in my back, and I couldn't play anymore, and I was devastated. So I tried a lot of things. I tried physical therapy, I tried acupuncture, I tried medication. The doctor put me on antidepressant and muscle relaxant, and it didn't work. And I was like, oh my gosh, I couldn't practice, so my music career is in jeopardy. So at last, I went to a chiropractor. They told me that I have this loss of neck curve, and the problem in my back is actually due to my neck. So I tried the Recurva Mini for a couple of minutes every day. After several months, I already feel the difference. And now I'm resuming my music career. I'm a piano teacher. I work 20 hours a week teaching people how to play and play piano myself. I'm just amazed how the Recurva Mini helped me become a musician.
In the 23 years that I've been practicing, I've discovered the most important thing that I can offer to all my patients. Not that everyone has the same problem, but there's one major issue that I've found is consistent throughout most of the patients that I have, is loss of the normal neck and low back curve. Now, we developed a posture recurve chair and a posture recurve mini. And that posture recurve system is designed to reestablish the the normal neck and low back curve, the normal postural position that your spine needs to be in to minimize or to get rid of things like neck pain and tension and headaches and low back pain and numbness and all sorts of different symptoms. This particular procedure is now available to the everyday patient. If you're interested in learning more about it and getting some free information, some videos and website information, give us your name, your address, your email address, phone number, and we'll send you some great stuff and some good information on how you can get some use on our Recurva Mini.